experts from abroad to visit SRM University and encouraging foreign students to study at SRM were initiated. Semester abroad program. Under the semester abroad program, students are deputed to study one semester course in the best universities across the world with credit transfer. Till date, about 269 students have availed the semester abroad program from 43 universities in the world. Faculty abroad program. The university sponsors faculty members of this university to various universities in the world for a semester to get international exposure and under the faculty abroad program. So far, 49 faculty members have been sponsored to different universities in the world. Twinning and dual degree programs. Under the twinning and dual degree programs, students are deputed to the universities to study a part of the degree program, say 1 year or 2 years, with or without PG link, and get awarded 1 degree or 2 degrees. So far, 65 students of SRM University are pursuing their twinning and dual degree programs in 9 universities in the countries like USA, UK, Germany, Switzerland, and Australia. Foreign students at SRM University. Universities attracting foreign students to study at SRM University. Admissions for foreign students in various courses at SRM University started from the year 2006 onwards. As on date, 828 students from 50 countries are pursuing their studies in various disciplines at SRM University. Visiting professors at SRM University from abroad. Professors from foreign universities are showing keen interest to work at SRM University on tenure basis. As on date, there are 5 visiting professors working at SRM University from USA, Germany, France, and South Korea. Experts visiting the SRM University from abroad. Experts from different universities from the countries like USA, UK, Canada, France, Germany, Australia, Japan, Singapore, China, etc. keep visiting SRM University periodically. So far, experts from 136 universities have visited the SRM University. Advisory bodies. SRM University have formed advisory boards for different types of different types to advise the university on various aspects like international collaborations, industrial interactions, curriculum planning, placement activities, joint research and funded research, etc. The Corporate Advisory Board. The Corporate Advisory Board at SRM University is a unique platform connecting over 150 industries across the country with the university partners. It helps to keep engineering and management programs of the university in tune with the industry trends by connecting students face-to-face with the senior managers, vice presidents, chairpersons, and the top managements of the leading companies and industries. Working in partnership with industry helps students and faculty to gain broader view of the industrial environment and expectations. Industry Interaction Cell, Industry Institute Interaction Cell. This works towards making strong links with the industry and promotion of various industrial activities by the faculty members of the students. Sports. SRM University gives maximum importance to the sports activity. The students are encouraged to participate in sports events of all types. Ball badminton and volleyball teams of the university have been the winners continuously for over 5 years at the state level. Basketball, table tennis, and hockey teams have consistently been the winners in the past 3 years. SRM University secured overall championship in Buck Sports Festival and Kongu Trophy for the past 3 years. SRM University secured overall championship in All India Intercollegiate Tournament, IIT Kanpur. Services. The university has created service departments like Corporate Affairs and Student Mentoring Department, Career Development Center, and Placement Office to guide and help students in their curricular and co-curricular activities. The Corporate Affairs and Student Monitoring Department facilitates the students to achieve their personal and career goals and creates opportunities to unleash their talents. The Career Development Center provides support to enhance the employability level of the students. The department provides a unique course to ensure that the students are holistically prepared to face interviews and to face various challenges of life. Placement Cell. The placement office liaisons with major companies and industries to ensure maximum placement opportunities to students. Through the placement cell, more than 80% of the students are placed every year in the jobs with good salary packages from major IT industries like TCS, Wipro, HCL, and many core engineering companies. SRM Tamil Perayam. SRM Tamil Perayam, the Tamil Academy, has been set up to promote Tamil culture and Tamil literary knowledge to the community. The wishes of the Chancellor of SRM University is that the Tamil Perayam should serve like Sahitya Academy to honor Tamil scholars with awards and publish unique contributions in Tamil. Chancellor has announced 10 Tamil Academy Awards for a total prize money of rupees 19 lakhs every year. The Tamil Perayam is working on publishing simple versions of Tolkappiyam for the use of public. It is developing web-based lessons for MA Tamil and MPhil Tamil programs to be offered on virtual mode in collaboration with Tamil Virtual Academy of Tamil Nadu government. The Tamil Perayam is offering 1 year Aruchunainger course, certificate course. It is also working on development of Tamil softwares for Tamil computing. Events. During the year 2011, 3rd to 7th of January, the university organized the 98th Science Congress in the university campus. Outbeating the records of the earlier 97 meetings of the Indian Science Congress, the 98th Science Congress held at SRM University witnessed unique features like more than 10,000 delegates participated in the Congress and 6 Nobel laureates and renowned scientists from across the world participated in the 5-day event. The Prime Minister of India and the HRD Minister honored the Congress by their participation. We have created a Nobel laureates garden in the university campus by getting trees planted by the 6 Nobel laureates who attended the conference. To conclude, we look back with pride the achievements we have made so far, but at the same time, we are aware that we have taken only a few steps forward, and we have many more miles to go before SRM University fully realizes its vision. I wish to state the following. SRM University will emerge as a leading world-class institution that creates and disseminates knowledge. It will uphold the highest standards of instruction in engineering and technology, medical and health sciences, management and science and humanities. Along with academic excellences, our curricula emphasizes to create true human resource with integrity and cultural sensitivity so that our graduates may best serve the nation and the world. Thank you very much.
I declare the convocation open. The convocation of the SRM University has been called on to confer the degree of Doctorate of Science, DSc, Honoris Causa, on Professor Subra Suresh, and Doctorate of Philosophy, and degrees upon the candidates who, in the examinations recently held for the purpose, have been certified to be worthy of the same. I request Dr. T.P. Ganesan, Pro Vice Chancellor, P&D, to read the citation of Professor Subra Suresh for the honorary degree.
Chancellor Sir, it is my proud privilege to present to you today Dr. Subra Suresh, a distinguished engineer and professor and a contributor to fundamental science, engineering, research and education for the conferment of the degree of Doctor of Science honoris causa. Dr. Subra Suresh earned his bachelor's degree from the Indian Institute of Technology, Madras in 1977, his master's from Iowa University in 1979, his doctorate from Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, in 1981. He also holds honorary doctorate degrees from Sweden's Royal Institute of Technology and Spain's Polytechnic University of Madrid. Dr. Subra Suresh is the director of the National Science Foundation, NSF, nominated by the US President Barack Obama. Confirmation as NSF director is just one of the many outstanding achievements by Dr. Subra Suresh in his trailblazing career. Prior to that, he served as Dean of Engineering School and one-ever Bush Professor of Engineering at the MIT. He joined the MIT's faculty ranks in 1993 as the R.P. Simons Professor of Material Science and Engineering. During his more than 30 years as a practicing engineer, he held joint faculty position in 4 departments at MIT, as well as appointments at the University of California at Berkeley, Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory, and Brown University. Dr. Subra Suresh's research is always focused on finding ways and means to improve the life of human beings in this planet. As a mechanical engineer, interested in materials science and biology, Dr. Suresh pioneered research to understand the mechanical properties of materials. His most recent research tackled the biomechanics of red blood cells under the influence of disease such as malaria. In 2006, Technology Review magazine selected Dr. Suresh's work on nanobiomechanics as one of the top 10 emerging technologies that will have a significant impact on business, medicine, and culture. Dr. Subra Suresh's works are not merely confined within the realms of engineering and science. They also demonstrate his idealistic commitment to the cause of women and minorities. Holding true to his personal ideas, Dr. Suresh successfully leveraged his renowned research and leadership position in academia to increase the number of women and minority engineers. He personally mentored more than 100 engineers and scientists in his research group. As department head and dean of engineering, he also led a successful campaign to increase the number of women among the MIT's engineering faculty ranks. Taking cognizance of Dr. Subra Suresh's telling achievements, nations and world bodies have conferred many laurels on him. The Padma Shri Award 2011 from the President of India, the Indian Science Congress General President's Award 2011, Society of Engineering Science Erringen Medal 2008, European Materials Medal 2007, and ACTA Materialia Gold Medal 2006 are among the many prestigious awards Dr. Suresh has received for his innovative research and commitment to improving engineering education around the world. He has been elected a honorary fellow of all the major materials societies in the United States and India, including the American Society of Materials, International Materials Research Society, American Society of Mechanical Engineers, American Ceramic Society, the Indian Institute of Metals, and the Material Research Laboratory of India. Dr. Suresh has been elected to the US National Academy of Engineering, American Academy of Arts and Science, Spanish Royal Academy of Sciences, German National Academy of Sciences, Academy of Sciences of the Developing World, and Indian National Academy of Engineering and Indian Academy of Sciences. Dr. Subra Suresh has authored more than 230 research articles in international journals and is a co-inventor in more than 18 US and international patent applications. He is the author or co-author of several books that are widely used in material science and engineering, including a book on fatigue of materials and thin film materials. He has consulted with more than 20 international corporations and research labs